I've just dribbled and it's gone down my sleeve.
Your face in my mussy, boom boom boom. Your face in my mussy, boom boom boom. Your face in my mussy, boom boom boom. You got me burning up. You got me burning up. You got me burning up. My mussy's on fire. You got me burning up. You got me burning up. You got me burning up. Them other hoes, liars.
Hello, this is a vidcast. It's cold. We haven't vidcasted for ages. Oh my god. So explain what's going on. It's very dark.
Pastor's got the hiccups, and burping at the same time, and I need the loo.
Keeps on pissing herself.
I pissed myself because I'm very old and I can't control my bladder and Pats is making me chuckle. Pastor, I'm worried someone's going to run over and nick your camera.
So we're walking up a road called Mill. Fiona's doing some random dance.
Look, it's all puffy.
Puffy bottom.
With my bum.
So, yes. Pastor, tell everyone about your blog.
My bloggy. Basically, this is a really bad place to do it.
It's quite funny to video.
Basically.
Every time I hiccuping, I'm going to put the camera on myself.
I love going backwards. Tell me if I hit anyone or walk into anything. I look like a drunk.
I should just, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play this backwards, so it looks like you're going like this forwards.
Should I do a spin round?
Oh my god, my hiccupes.
Basically, people, I have a blog. I've started a new blog. I'm going to do a cookbook. And I thought,
Pastor!
what's you?
I can't
Smelly
I can't.
Anyway, my blog.
Smelly.
Basically, my blog, I'd like you to go.
That smells of egg.
What does?
You're bad.
How? I haven't had any.
It's probably fart finding its way out of your mouth.
Lovely. Peace, people,
Please.
Go onto my blog. It's food fanatique, but that's fanatic F-A-N-T.
IQUE.
Yes, Pats has got a link on his thingy and Twitter or something.
Yes, Twitter. I'll give you a login for Twitter, so you
what
can
does that
type
mean?
stuff.
What does it mean? Will it alert when I?
Yeah, whenever you do a blog post, it will announce it to everyone that follows our Twitter.
But do a lot of people? He's just doing it randomly, like an old incontinence pad.
Oh, did you see there's an Oxfam down here?
No.
So it's down there, look, on the end of the road, where wine rack places.
Newage! That's where they sell absinthe.
They used to.
They sell absinthe somewhere
Now
down
they're
here.
fair trade coffee
Where
beans.
do they sell it
There's a
now?
man running here, Pastor.
Take it. They used to sell it somewhere.
Would you like to do some videoing?
Yeah.
Put your hand through that.
Put your hand in my hand.
Let me show you the way.
Pastor will understand. Let's follow the burp-a-thon. Burpy, burpy, burpy. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Doodly-doo, doodly-doo. Go.
We look silly. We're mad. We are.
We can't fish on this pavement without reading.
I wonder if you zoomed
Go
your
that way, go that way. Go over there. There you go. Pastor shake a bum. I'm going to trip over. I keep thinking there are people behind me. Is the people behind me anywhere? Ooh. Pastor, you look like a Scotsman.
A Scousman.
Look where we're going.
The graveyard.
Yes. No, we should though. I don't like it that right.
Oh,
Look, it's so dark. You can't actually. These people thought you were very funny, Pastor. Did you see them?
Don't find it funny
You
when
are
I'm
funny.
burping.
I piss myself.
When I'm around, I piss myself.
Sorry. I've just dribbled and it's gone down my sleeve.
Did you hear about the man in Amnesty International? That bookshop. The man trashed it.
What do you mean
He put
trashed
his
it?
bike on the window aggressively. And then,
I'm an annoyed kid.
and then the people in there asked him to move it. He didn't, so they put it on the floor and then he trashed the place. It was like
Was it like the raid on KFC? Oh!
yes. Yes, where we've just eaten.
I love KFC pasta.
I had a Big Daddy box.
I had
love a Big Daddy's lunch
boneless
box.
banquet. Nothing's so good about a banquet when it's boneless.
Oh my god, I can't stop hiccuping. It's really...
Maybe you should.
No, you hold it, just hold it like that. On this bit, like that.
What is it going?
Yes.
Oh.
And not that. No, watch that button, don't press it.
That's why I... Plus, you have to go in front of me. Look at me, I'm showing people round. This is a tour of Cambridge. Pasta. Pasta, no.
This is so embarrassing.
Yes, it is, especially when there's lots of travs over the corner. Don't look at the travs, don't look at the travs. Walk with me, walk this way.
Talk this way, like this, like... Bang, bang on the door.
Pasta, go and do that pole. Like a sex person.
I can't stop hiccuping.
I can't see anything.
I've had hiccups for like 15 minutes now.
You know, there's actually a record in time of a prince, I can't remember which one it is, that hiccuped for 10 years without stopping. It could be your pasta.
Thanks, I really want to have a world record for not being able to stop hiccuping. Is that really close?
Yes, this is very attractive pasta. I can see all your big fat spots.
Thanks.
I'm joking, you don't have any.
Yes, I do.
You don't.
I look
Pasta,
like
run up
spotty
there.
mould dude.
Pasta, run up there. There's
Keep
no one there.
running up
Quick,
that hill.
Quick pasta. Quick pasta. Do. That's so funny. You did slow motion. It was so funny. Come back. Pasta's left me. I don't even know if I'm recording. I'm getting molested by loud car noises and fumage. Pasta, if you do that backwards, your legs will be going up in a funny angle. You look like you're falling down the hill. I'm bored out now, and that wasn't even me running.
Come off.
Pasta,
Yes.
do you want to hold it now?
Why?
It's hurting my hand.
It's because it's cold.
I'm too lazy. Oh, Harvey, la 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 la.
Oh, spastic.
People, we're going down.
Drunk.
See, that's how much fun we are. We're not even drunk. Well, pasta's the funny one. Pasta's the funny one. I just hold the camera.
I've got a snotty nose.
Pasta, do you think I'm funny?
Yes.
Do you think I'm
Hilarious.
Do you think I'm naturally witty?
You match me in +1.
I'm just going to pretend I'm not looking, and then it looks like I'm just doing it magically. Whee!
Train to Norwich.
Should we hitch and hop on? The This was fucking classic.
Vile.
Especially when that chap thought you were fucking disgusting. You're disgusting, Pasta.
I don't think... Oh no, we did get the bit where I hiccuped and everyone laughed at me.
We did.
Yes.
I'm going to make Pasta jump.
What are you doing? Did you see that person just trip over?
No, but I saw it out the corner of my eye, but I thought it was just like, just a joke.
Recording.
I'm recording. I didn't see you. I'll be seeing you in all the old familiar places.
She fell over, that kind of tripped and looked at me because she thought you were recording, and then you went, Rah!
She's fucking retard because I'm actually recording a totally different side of the road and she's recording like,
oh, close to you.
I thought I was Henry.
Why do birds suddenly appear?
Every time they are. Why is that closed? It's only 9 o'clock. That's really freaky. What's going on? People, look, this is where we are. Walking down here, here I go. Walking down here. La 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 la, la 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 la. Pasta, you know what I'd really love?
Suddenly appear. Time to be to you.
Pasta, no. Oh, Pasta, do you have Come What May remix on your phone?
No.
Can you put it on there and then next time we can play along to it? Do that again, it was funny.
People are looking at me.
It's funny! Don't you want people to look at you, pasta? Your...
I just farted in your general direction.
Yeah, you lifted your leg and did it. Thanks. I don't want to get right over. I've got my earring caught in my... Ow. 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 It's stuck in my scarf. Ooh. Pasta. Stitch and bitch. Stitch and bitch. Bitch while you stitch and stitch while you bitch. Oh, it's pretty.
What thick do I have?
Prettiness. Chavs, chavs. I can't zoom, so I don't know how to zoom.
You can't on that. Is it still? Yes, it's
They're
still
about 10. I thought they were older. How are you, pasta? I don't know what that is. What is that? Sounds like heavy metal.
It's the Beatles.
Let's go.
And they did a song called Lovely Retard.
They don't sound like the Beatles, they sound like a modern day Crawley.
All the stuff I don't. What are we recording? Do you want me to record?
Cassie, that's my dare. We go there all the time and they know me.
Ah,
Yes, I love a heart. Everyone go to my heart. Everyone go to a heart. It's great.
Let me record.
Tanning well.
Got it. Oh, we've got 2 minutes left. The pasta.
Pasta, I love you.
Go in
Pasta,
front.
right here. As it were.
Random walking down the lane. What do you think to the Tesco building
Something-
here?
It's not going to be Tesco.
Well, it might be.
It's not going to be.
Well, what do you think about it?
I think it's stupid. I like little. Saying that though, I hate the coat's boring now, and I do. It's still stuck. Look. Pasta, because I've weed myself slightly. It's all sticky now when I walk.
Ew. Too much information.
Pasta, we need to go to split up. In a couple of roads. I love
It's
you,
so
Pasta.
dark, you can't really see anything. It'd be
know.
funnier.
Can you make it bright?
I'm sure I can.
Can you make my brown eyes blue?
Didn't mean to treat you something bad.
Didn't know what to do with a doo-doo.
Do-do-do-do-do. My hand is
Vodka,
cold.
you want vodka? I want your vodka. I want your vodka right now. Vodka. Vodka.
So the green light is magical.
It's like oxy.
Follow the green fairy.
My shoelaces come undone.
Oh.
It's so annoying. I just did it like twice and it's come undone.
It's because you don't tie them, you just stick them in between your shoes.
I don't. I tied it up.
Oh.
And the green fairy.
We've only got 1 minute left.
Dong, 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 dong.
Dong, 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 dong,
Starting to
dong.
miss you.
Me too.
I love you, Pat.
So let's say goodbye to the listeners. Bye bye listeners, bye.
People behind us.
At least I stopped hiccuping. Which I think is quite an arrangement.
No.
I don't care.
I do.
I do.
I threw my shoelace up anyway.
Okay.
I don't know where though. I'll do it up here.
Oh, it's quite... Oh, for the first time you might be able to see us in the good
Why I
light.
thought we should stay here.
Ugly twinkle boy.
It's very far to walk.
Pasta's bent over.
Like that. It's like the rumples of my coat. Oh, ow.
Okay, we've got 10 seconds.
Love you, people. I love you, Pasta. I love you.
Bye!
Your face in my mussy, boom boom boom. Your face in my mussy, boom boom boom. My mussy's on fire. Them other hoes, liars.